Good evening, students. Today we will discuss again same method, value added method, and almost today is the last sum of the value added method. After that, next video we will discuss next method, income method. Now value added method. Here some data is given to you. Use this information and calculate net value added at factor cost. Net value added at factor cost. It means NVA MP you have to find out. But keep in your mind and remember one thing, when we are using the value added method, we just calculate the GVA MP. We have to calculate GVAMP first, then after we have to move here NVA FC we have to find out. So first, with the help of the value added method, first we have to find out GVAMP. So some information is given to you. Net indirect taxes also given to you, 40 directly given to you. What is the NEAT? Indirect taxes minus subsidies. But in this sum that is directly given to you. Now sales rupees in crores, so 800 depreciation 30, exports 100, closing stock 20, opening stock 50, intermediate consumption 500, purchase of machinery for own use 200, and import of raw material 60. So this data is given to you. Keep in your mind students, it is not necessary कि जितना भी डेटा आपको दिया है सब सम में आपका यूज होगा. समटाइम्स कुछ डेटा आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए भी देते हैं. सो मे बी प्रोबेबिलिटी इज देयर कि इसमें से कुछ डेटा आपके लिए यूज नहीं होगा. नाउ वी मूव ऑन अवर सॉल्यूशन और कैलकुलेशन ऑफ दिस. सो फर्स्ट वी आर यूजिंग वैल्यू एडेड method. Clear? So in value added method we have to just calculate GVAMP. It means gross value added at market price. So what is the formula of GVAMP? Already we had discussed that. What is the formula of GVAMP? So value of output minus intermediate consumption. So value of output minus intermediate consumption. This is the basic or first priority formula is value added, gross value added market price. It means the value of output minus intermediate consumption. Already we had seen what do you mean by the value of output. So sales plus change in stock. Clear? So value of output, it means sales plus change in stock and minus intermediate consumption. So what is the sales is directly given to you. So 800 plus change in stock, it means closing stock minus opening stock. Clear? Minus intermediate consumption also directly given to you. So that is 500. Now 800 plus closing stock is given to you. Yes, 20 minus opening stock 50 minus 500. 800 plus, listen, 20, first we have to remove the bracket. So 20 minus 50, it means minus 30. So here minus 30 and plus. So plus minus minus. So minus 30 minus 500. पहले इन दोनों का टोटल लगा दो. So 800 minus 530 equal to 800 minus 530 equal to rupees 270 crore. So what is your GVAMP equal to rupees 270 crore. Listen, you just find out the GVAMP here, but keep in your mind see here, already we had discussed the export and import also. Export or import also we had discussed before that. But in this sum, in the cells के अंदर ही हमारा क्या include होता है? So it is the assumed that exports are already included in the cells, क्योंकि this is the total cells. So total cells, it means the export already include in these cells. Now second important point, import of raw material is also given to you. So import of raw material is not included separately, as it is a part of the intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption के अंदर ही हम लोग किसको ले लेंगे? Import को ले लेंगे. So export और import, these two things are given to you, but it is not the separately we have calculated. In this sum, in the cells, export already calculated included in the net cells. This is the total cells. So total cells and import of the raw material also include in the intermediate consumption. Listen, clear? So then one important thing also there, purchase of machinery for own use. That is the own use. So this is not about the firm. So that is the personal use. So when we are calculating the private income, we just calculate this type of expenses or income when we are calculating the private income. But in this sum or in this method, we don't use this purchase of machinery for own use. So this about the GVA MP. But what is the question? Question is net value added at factor cost. It means you have to find out NVA MP. NVA MP. You find out NVA MP. Now same method from the previous chapter. So what is your destination? NVA MP. And where are you? So I am here only, GVA MP. So we have GVA MP value, and that is our destination, NVA MP. So whatever we have to find out as per the maths rule, we just write down equal to the left side. So NVA MP equal to GVA MP. Now same procedure, gross to net. It means minus depreciation. Now next GVA FC. In the sum, GVA FC is given to you. Sorry for that. Factor cost, from the factor cost. So MP to FC. So MP to FC, it means plus need. Clear? So GVA MP we already find out 270. So 270 minus depreciation directly given to you 30, and plus need, it means 40. So 270 plus 40 minus 30. So rupees 280 crore. So what is your answer? Final answer is NVA FC equal to rupees 280 crore. So this is your final answer. Now today we will stop about this method, value added method, and tomorrow onwards, next video, I am just uploading the next method, income method. Okay students, good night everyone.